Hi everyone, this is Michael from MDO Video to show y'all how to install a hose bib onto threaded pipe. This here is some black steel threaded pipe, and this here is a hose bib. And what we're going to do here is I'm going to show you how to properly install one of these. The first thing we're going to do here is we're going to put some Teflon tape, oh Lord, onto this water spigot hose bib. Just a hose bib. We're going to wrap it with the threads like we're tightening it. Don't need a lot. I'm going to thread it on, try not to cross thread it, because this old pipe can be kind of difficult. And then what we're going to do now, we're going to use an adjustable wrench to tighten it. Right there. I'm going to go turn the water on, and hopefully we won't have any leaks. Okay, so there it is. Here's our hose bib. Let's see if it works. And it works. So now what we got to do now is we got to install a vacuum breaker, which is one of these. It's designed to prevent the water from going back up the hose. Normally I put the set screw on them and break it off, but you see how much the pressure is now? Yeah, there's air in the line. What I'm going to do now is hook our little garden hose up here. Give y'all a demonstration. And that's it. That is how to install a hose bib with MDO Video.